any who love knowledge want to be told when they are wrong. So, and that is true. Yung mga matatalino, the wise people, um, they are all waiting for someone who will tell them that they are wrong, because they want to know uh, exactly how they are doing, and if what they are doing is good, not only for themselves but for to God and to others. Because as everyone knows, those wise people, when you correct them, they appreciated it, and they are happy because the what they will learn another, uh, or they will learn more than what they knew. But those who other people, when you try to correct them, they think you are trying to to make them unhappy, or to condemn them, because you said you correct them. So don't correct those people who don't want to correct, because you could have, you could be in trouble. They will hate you, or they will do something against you, because they don't like that you or we or other